Hey Liberty Drive friends, this is Miss Land and I want to show you today how you can check out books from the North Carolina Digital Library. So first of all, you're going to go to the Liberty Drive Elementary School website and then you will go to where it says academics. When you hover over academics, there'll be a drop-down box to go to the Media Center website. After you go to the Media Center website, you'll scroll down, and there are instructions there that gives you access to the North Carolina Digital Library. And you will see in the instructions, it says ncdigital.overdrive.com. And it shows you step-by-step instructions how to sign in. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that today. So if you will click right here, it will take you straight to the link for the Overdrive website. So you're going to want to sign in. So to sign in, you're going to click sign in, and you're going to use your student ID number. So I'm going to use a student ID number. So you put in your student ID number, and then for your PIN number, you're going to use these last four digits. So once you put in your student ID number, you're going to take the last four digits. In this case, it would be 8529. So you're going to type in 8529, and then you click sign in. And it's going to sign you into the North Carolina Kids Digital Library. Now, you can save it on yours. I didn't save it on mine because this is a student account and I'm not going to save it. However, you can save it on your computer so that each time it comes up, you don't have to put in your number. So now that you're in the student library, you can check out any book you want to that is, notice it says available. You also have, if you look at these books across here, this says audiobook. That means that if you check this book out, it's an audiobook, which means you can listen to the book. It's going to read the book to you. You can listen to it. If it's an ebook, that means that when you check this book out, you will read it online. So you can read this book online. So you can click on the book, and it's going to tell you you can borrow it. You can listen to a sample of it so that you'll know what it's about. Right here is a description of the book to tell you what it's about. If you don't want to check out that book, you've read what it's about, you're not interested in it, just go back and look at the next book. So you can click through here and look at the different books. If you have a specific book that you're looking for Diary of a Wimpy Kid or Dork Diaries, you can click search and you can type in the book and it's going to come up. Okay, so see here, notice that this book says place on hold. That's because all these books are checked out. If you want to place this book on hold, you can do that. And it's going to ask for your email address. You're going to use your student email address for school. So your whatever it is at tcsstudents.org. You put that in twice and you click place hold. They will put that book on hold, and as soon as it comes off hold, they will send you an email address and they will check it out to you. And when it's checked out to you, then you come in here and you open it up and you can start reading it. When you check out a book, like this one right here says borrow, if you borrow this book, it tells you that you can borrow it for 7 days, 14 days, or 21 days. So you decide how long you think it's going to take you to read this book, and then you borrow it. As soon as those days are up, it's going to check that book right back into the library for you. So you don't have to check it back in. It does it for you. And then you can check out some more books. So this is a way for you to be able to check out books without having, because you can't come down to our library and check out books because we can't have people in the library because of all the cloth seats and everything, and you can't come in and have more than 10 people in here pulling books out, and the books have to be quarantined. So we will bring books to the classroom for you guys to check out, but this is also another way for you to be able to check out the books you want, because you may not get the book you want from our library, but you might be able to get it here and be able to put it on hold through the digital library. So check it out, see what you think, and let me know if you're able to get books that you like from the digital library. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.